Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we will show you how to unfollow friend who not follow you on Instagram. Through this channel we provide you many tips and tricks, and we have a complete playlist on it, and the link is in the description. So without wasting your time, let's go toward the video. So open your profile and you see the following section. You click on it and these are the you are following. You see that you are unable to recognize those friends which you not follow on Instagram, because all of your following are there. So we use a third-party app for this, and go to your app store and search for unfollow for Instagram, or unfollow and following. So we download this one. It's the first one, follow and unfollowers. Install this. Once you install it, it will be shown open option. So open your Instagram ID here, and you will be easily able to unfollow those friends, and this is the portion of those friends who don't follow you back. So if you want to unfollow them, click on unfollow. It will be automatically removed from your following, and the same way you delete or unfollow all those friends who not follow back you. This is a simple way to unfollow friends. Thanks for watching.